Good evening, teacher, and hello, all my beloved classmates. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of computer skill for students. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine that designed to collect, store, and distribute information. And computer skills are very important for students because many schools and universities use computer for learning, researching, and communication. A student can use computer to type document, create presentation, and join online class. And in the future, many jobs will require people to use computer and technology. And especially, computer can help students to save time and more effectively. And good computer skill can also help improve their education and future career. However, people or students that use computer should use wisely and avoid spending too much time on game or social media. Thank you, teacher, and thank you everyone for your kind attention and listen to me.